Hi, my name is Muhammad Lutfil Hadi bin Ismail. My matrix number is 2022449828. Today, I will present about the topic that I get, which is learning from failure. How organizations can adapt and evolve. I will explain about the latest issue from Meta, formerly we know as Facebook, regarding on the topic that I have mentioned before. Okay, we go on first subtopic, which is what is learning from failure. Did you know about it?
Kau orang tak tahu.
Let me explain first subtopic in this issue. Organizational learning from failure is about changing behavior based on lesson learned from mistakes. Based on Phil and Liles, 1985, defined it as a change in the behavior of the organization. After reflecting on past actions, this learning starts at the individual level, where employees assess their failures and adjust their approaches, influencing how the organization operates. According to Bekexi 2004, explains that learning is a permanent change in behavior that comes from experience. A good example is Meta, formerly known as Facebook, which learned from its early previous failure with Facebook Beacon, a feature that caused privacy concern. Instead of ignoring the issue, Meta improved its privacy practices, strengthening user controls and reshaping its strategy. In this way, Meta turned failure into a long-term advantage, showing that learning from mistakes helps the organization grow and make better decisions in the future. Okay, secondly, I want to express my ideas on Meta Facebook tragedy case. In recent years, Meta has invested billions into the metaverse, a virtual world that CEO Mark Zuckerberg believed would be the future of the internet. His vision included immersive spaces where people could interact, work and play. Meta's main platform, Horizon Worlds, was meant to lead this revolution, but user adoption has been much lower than the expected. In 2023, fewer than 200,000 people were using Horizon Worlds regularly, far below the millions Meta had hoped for, based on Caller 2023. Meta's Oculus VR headsets, once seen as a breakthrough, also failed to meet sales target, leaving the company with a growing gap between its vision and the reality. In 2023, Meta spent over $36 billion on its metaverse project, but the returns has been disappointed, according to Smith 2023. As a result, the company's stock has dropped and many are questioning if Zuckerberg's dream was simply too early or just a risky bet. For now, the metaverse remains a costly gamble with no clear payoff in sight. Okay, next. Here I provide an example case for Meta mistakes while organizing their business. As you can see in the slide, there is one of the media organization from Malaysia, which is RTM, posted an system from Meta auto-translated the meaning about the majesty of Malay King, which is Sultan Ibrahim, and this issue is arise. Not long enough, manager from Meta apologized about that issue and quickly solved their system. Okay, last but not least, I will discuss about how Meta taken their beautiful steps to overcome their mistakes and learn from it. First, in 2023, Meta under Mark Zuckerberg's leadership decided to shift focus back to its core social media platforms like Instagram and WhatsApp, while incorporating artificial intelligence to improve the user experience. This move marked strategic pivot away from the metaverse, which had not met expectations. This change reflects on how organizations learn from past mistakes and adapt. According to Phil and Liles, 1985, organizational learning involves a change in behavior based on reflection, and Meta's shift shows how the company used past challenges to rethink its approach for long-term success. Second strategy, Meta worked internally to rebuild trust with employees by conducting feedback surveys and hosting all-hands meeting in 2023. These efforts allowed employees to directly communicate concern with executives, aiming to restore confidence and improve the alignment with the organization. This process aligned with Beckett's 2004 idea that learning leads to a permanent change in behavior. By listening to feedback and adjusting its strategy, Meta demonstrated a commitment to both external and internal organizational learning.